Hi, I'm Andrea Smith with Echo Park Paper, and I'm so excited to show you my favorite Christmas collection. Our next collection is our My Favorite Christmas collection. You can see all of the cute and fun elements to go with that sticker sheet. You're going to get your 6 coordinating papers, that fun little textured craft paper. Here are all of the papers. You're going to see Santa Claus, Rudolph, your gingerbread candy canes, presents, your 3x4 journaling card, that green and red holly berries, beautiful poinsettias and different cute vines with a green dot, your snowflakes and stars with that Christmas tree. This is a really fun way to be able to add different elements and textures with that plaid. Santa Claus on that cute bike getting his presents ready, and all of those jumping reindeers. Your 4x4 journaling cards with that beautiful green pattern. Your Christmas words with your cute ornaments, snowflakes, trees, and stars. Red and black buffalo plaid with presents, your green floral, and that tonal beautiful, you have your ornaments and your stars and your snowflakes. 4x6 journaling cards with Santa in his truck, and your snowflakes with your green plaid. Next, you're going to see the chipboard accents. Here, Santa, the cute tree. These are all scaled to size, so you can use them all together. And the chipboard phrases, perfect to add to any cards projects or Christmas albums. Here is our A2 embossing folder, Santa on his sleigh, and our new A2 snowflake embossing folder. Next, we're going to see My Favorite Christmas Paper Pad 24 double-sided papers with our reindeer jumping stencil and our Christmas snow stencil. Next, you have our decorative numbers. This is 1 to 31, perfect for a Christmas countdown in silver and of course in gold. Our enamel dots are perfect for any project, and our decorative brads. You can see all the cute chipboard pieces on the bottom and all of our accents at the top. And our new puffy stickers. These are a fun dimensional little accessory. Our washi tape, you have Santa in his sleigh, Santa Claus, your snowflakes, and Santa riding along in his truck. We have our festive snowflakes die set, our Christmas holly and branch die set, one of my favorites, our Christmas gift tag die set, and last but not least, our Christmas 4x6 stamp. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to shop our new collections coming to you soon.